Mahawangsa remembered tales of magical beings who kept the mortal lands away from their bodies. Down to his fabled arrow Baranakuda, he shot at Garuda's shadow. Hits his mark. Wounded and angry, Garuda flew off and stole the princess away. Marung Mahawangsa pursued Garuda to a nearby island. There he met a race of giants. This is a strong land, he thought, a place to build a kingdom. The prince was united with the princess. Marung Mahawangsa did not follow them back. He found Garuda wounded, but decided to help him instead. And after Garuda flew away back to his palace in the sky, Marung Mahawangsa found that he had grown to love this land. And so the kingdom of Langkasuka came to be.